In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very simple website where you can start making money every single day. It doesn't matter if you make $1, $2, or even up to $100, as you can see right here. You are going to get paid every single day. And the name of the website is fileupload.com. So basically, these are earning proofs from this website right here. As you can see, they have paid over $700,000 to their members. As you can see, they have over 59,000 members currently on this platform. So this website right here is pay per download program, which means you make money whenever people download your file. It could be a music file, it could be a document, it could be whatever it is. As long as people download it, you are going to get paid. As you can see, you can get paid up to $7 if people from the United States, UK, and Canada download your file. As you can see, group B right here, and you can see group C right here. So depending on the country that downloads your file, the more money you are going to make. So now I'm going to show you how to set up the whole process. So the first thing, as you can see right here, all you just need to do is make an account, and you want to upload your file and share it online, and your account start generating money. Okay, so what you want to do from here, you want to click on this sign up button right here. So once you click on that, you will be able to create an account. As you can see right here, once you have your account created, everything is going to look like this. It's virtually just the way you create a Facebook account or a Twitter account. It's a very straightforward process. So once you have your account created, now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic to this website and start getting people to download your file. So the first thing you want to keep in mind is you want to give people value. All right, so you want to actually give people something that's going to help them out. That way they are more likely to download these files and you are going to make money. So you want to come over to this website here, freeplrdownloads.com. As you can see, these are free ebooks that you can use and you can give away for absolutely free. And if you take a look at these ebooks right here, they are talking about specific problem. As you can see, there are various categories right here: affiliate marketing, astrology, bodybuilding. So basically, these ebooks are talking about these niches or these categories right here. So definitely a lot of people who are interested in the respective categories will find it interesting to download those ebooks. So what you are going to be doing from here is very simple. So now I'm going to be taking the make money online niche as an example. So I'm just basically going to click on this internet marketing right here. So once I click on that, you can see there are a lot of ebooks right here that I can give away for free and start making money. So if I take this one right here as an example, affiliate marketing guide to getting profit, as you can see right here, this is an ebook that's going to teach people how to make money with affiliate marketing. All right, so basically what you want to do from here, you want to just click on this download button right here and you will be able to download it for absolutely free. As you can see right here, it has been downloaded. All right, you can see this is the ebook right here. So basically all I just need to do is extract this ebook right here. As you can see, if I open this folder, you can see this is the ebook right here. So now what you want to do from here, you want to go back to fileupload.org. So once you come over to your dashboard like this, you want to click on this upload files, and once you do that, you want to basically click on this folder right here and you want to locate the PDF file to this PLR product and you want to click on open. All right, as you can see right here, all you just basically need to do is copy the name of the product and paste it right here, and you want to make sure this public button is checked and you want to click on start upload. As you can see right now, everything has been uploaded and this is the download link right here. All right, and also keep in mind you don't have to use only freeplrdownloads.com. You can come over to idplr.com as well, and if you scroll down, you can see there are a lot of categories right here. Now you can find numerous products and start promoting for absolutely free. So once you're done, you want to come over to Facebook and you want to type in affiliate marketing and you want to filter the search to groups. As you can see right here, there are a lot of groups about affiliate marketing right here. All right, so basically all you just need to do is join this group right here. So you can see this group right here as over 178,000 members. This one has over 100,000 members. As you can see, this one has 52,000 members. So basically, you can expect to get a lot of downloads from this group. As you can see right here, somebody here made $50 and somebody here made over $100 with this website. All right, you can see another person here, $58, and also you can see a lot of other people are making money as well. So basically, what you want to do, if you go back to Facebook, you want to click on any of these groups, and also you don't want to come over to this group to spam your link. You can just basically write something like, all right, so you want to write in something simple like this. As you can see right here, did anyone else in this group found value from this ebook? It helped me master how to make money with affiliate marketing just after reading it. So basically, you are creating curiosity right here. So people are curious about what this ebook is all about, and there's a very high chance that they are going to click on this link to get the ebook. And keep in mind, they don't need to purchase this ebook. It's absolutely free. They don't need to complete any offer. All they need to do is click on it and get it downloaded. All right, so basically that is how simple it is. And now you can basically use this script for any niche you are using. So basically you can reward this script right here, and you can replicate it for various categories as you can find on this PLR platform. As you can see here, there's social media network, there's web development. As you can see right here, there's fitness right here, there's health and disease. They can come over to these categories. You can download as many free PLR products right here, or if you want to use free PLR downloads, you can just grab as many ebooks as you can, and you can come over to Facebook and look for groups that are interested in this. So basically, you want to do this for as many niches as you can find. So once you do that, you are going to repeat the same process for as many groups as you can find in that niche. And also you can come over to Quora.com and you can type in keywords that are related to whatever PLR ebook you are promoting. As you can see right here, since we are promoting this ebook that's talking about how to make money with affiliate marketing. So basically, once you come over to Quora, you can just type in how to make money with affiliate marketing, and you are going to see a lot of questions related to this niche, and you can start answering this question and sharing your file upload link, and that way you are going to start getting a lot of clicks and downloads to your PLR product since it's solving a problem. So that is how you can start earning money like these people right here. As you can see, the proof of the earning from this website right here. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.